Alright guys, we are in the smart #1 Brabus and we are at the racetrack at the old Morat track. It now has a different name and we're going to go through some exercises. First we learn how to drive the car. Yes, the gear levers on the right, like the Mercedes, where you have a little lever, you push down to drive and you go. Alright, so what we're going to do is a small acceleration test. After that we're going to do a bit of a slalom test and some lane change. But the track is very narrow, and then they have a slalom, and the slalom cones are actually placed very close. So we'll do what we can. So with me in the car we have Chair Wong and Mr. Sim Sun Ming.
Hello!
At the back.
I danced for a long while already.
No, he hasn't been in my car for a very long time. Okay, so we are ready? Go!
So short! See, everyone also like that. Should stop further down there. Damn. This is a nice place to actually be. No.
Okay, so we're going to go do a lane change. My mic is not on. Is it on?
It's red.
Oh, it's red. Okay, it's on. Okay, there's a lane change coming up. The cones are very close, so the slalom is like going at 5 kilometers per hour.
True. So funny.
And that's the end of our drive. Thank you very much. Okay, so now it's our turn and we are in the rear wheel drive only Brabus Premium, and this one has a smaller battery and about half the power. So 0 to 100 is 7.6 seconds compared to the 3.9 in the Brabus version of the Smart. And so it's a bit slower, but I think it can be just as exciting. So we're waiting for the... Okay guys, are y'all ready?
Let's go.
Let's go. Yeah, it's a bit slower.
But it can drift.
Yeah, it can, but then after that,
No power.
no response.
No response.
Yeah, of course, this is lower powered and it will have its use because it's about 50,000 ringgit cheaper, I think. Okay, let's go. So not everybody wants power, but if you want an electric car that's more affordable, this is it. It's below 200. No, this is about 200.
219.
219, yeah. So it's not 50,000 cheaper. It's about 30,000 cheaper. Yeah.
I think the traction control kick in, right?
Yeah. That's to stop people like you.
No lah.
Yeah, this is.
Oh my god, this slalom is torture.
Okay, so guys, that was the Brabus rear-wheel drive version going through the same course. It can still be exciting, but well, it's less power.
I can go. Okay, go! Oh.
Make sure we can get the Penang.
can 啦 can 我们就是做一些在小赛道上的一些测试啦。很爽嘞，这可以玩漂移耶，这辆车。
It's okay if you roll, we don't need to go to Penang.
Won't roll lah, trust me, uncle. I just want to torture Ajay. OK， 我们做了几项东西，我们做了 lane change， 然后做前面有一个 slalom， 这就是我们今天的小活动啦。其实蛮好玩的，尤其是 Brabus 的市区版，就是你在压弯的时候，你继续拉着它的油啊，它会有一点这种类似漂移的感觉。不行了，它的控放得太近了。
Okay, this is Jay Wong in the Smart Premium rear-wheel drive compared to the Brabus, which is 3.9 seconds. 0 to 100, this is 7.6. So it's only half the motor and a smaller motor to start with. So you see the acceleration, yeah?
No power one.
Car 7 go. That's us.
So sleepy, right? 它 boss speaker 来了。Very fun, huh?
Nothing. Full throttle was on nothing.
Yes, exactly. For all the tire mark, we left one.
等一下你讲为什么卡丁车的线上面会有这样子的线？对，Brabus why so chill 啊
No, that one is the
？Wait,
instructor.
girl driver。啊，特别笑到几开心，跟后面那个。
Okay, go.
你小心，千万不要飞掉。
我会飞掉的啦！哦，不要！
Oi, try to roll it.
Yeah, we try our best already. Why God Chinese we are so 啊ได้啊ได้ Who say I'm fast? Huh? Which fucker?
What here is going to drive, and we're going to have the target car in front of us. And the target car is going to go at 30 kilometers per hour, and Fuad is going to come in behind it and at a higher speed and take evasive action. So the evasive maneuver assist will give him a bit more force to make sure that he can maneuver safely past the car in front. And it works between 50 to 120. Here we go, evasive action, and there you go. And that car also has a rear collision warning.
Correct.
So that's why you saw the light flash in the back of the other car.
Correct.
And we saw that it's sort of like to tell the car behind, hey, you are going to hit me, and also tell the car in front that, hey, somebody's about to hit you. Yeah, so that's how the rear collision warning works. Okay, so we just wait a while for our turn again. We're gonna do again.
Yes, we'll do again.
Thank you.
So this time we'll do left side.
Okay, so this time we're gonna do the left hand side, left overtaking. Yeah. So the smart guy is smart enough to know.
Stay right. Stay right.
Okay.
So it's going to work very well in Malaysia for all those people who like to honk the right hand lane. So Fuad is going to barrel down the road on the right hand lane, then the guy in front is not going to give way, and he will just
You want ready?
jink to the left, and the system will help him
Right turn.
to do the lane change.
Yep.
Okay, so as I said before, it works between 50 to 120 kilometers per hour. Okay, so we see the car in front, and also guys, you watch in front of the car will have a rear collision warning happening at the same time. Okay, we're gonna go fast. Oh, it didn't register on that car because you're going too fast. Okay guys, so that's the evasive maneuver assist.